This week, the Taylor County Expo Center is hosting the annual Western Horseman Stock Horse World Show, with COVID-19 cases in Taylor County continuing to rise. Health professionals are discouraging major events from taking place. Our Dan Booth stopped by the Expo Center to find out how they plan to enforce the mask mandate at the event.
I will refuse to close down unless the governor mandates it.
For more than a decade, people from across the country have come to Abilene to compete in the Western Horseman Stock Horse World Show.
I actually have 4 different competitions going on simultaneously right now. And there are not very many people or places in the state that we can do that it's all undercover.
During the pandemic, like most rodeo events, Stock Horse of Texas has had to make some changes to their schedule.
We had to hold off and not do events back in March and April, and then in May, when Governor Abbott came out with his Open Texas plan, we started finding ways to have events within his recommendations.
Dunkel says she's expecting around 250 competitors and their families to be in Abilene for this year's event, despite rising coronavirus cases throughout Taylor County.
As the number of cases continues to climb, health professionals are discouraging major events. But Expo Center General Manager Rochelle Johnson says she owes it to the people of Abilene to keep hosting events.
We're going to continue to hold events because I feel very committed to that on behalf of not only the Expo Center, but on behalf of our community. I think that it is a dereliction of duty to reduce the economic impact on our community.
If large public events are held, health professionals say masks should be required upon entry and enforced while people attend the event.
We will continue to ask people in these arenas to social distance and to wear masks if they don't.
But beyond that,
I'm not a mask police.
For BigCountryHomepage.com, I'm Dan Booth.
Thank you, Dan. The Stock Horse World Championship is one of 4 major events scheduled at Abilene this week. All 4 of those events are expected to put a combined $200,000 into the Abilene economy.